Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial of coding. In this tutorial of coding, we are going to be using a new website named Mlock. Maybe you're not familiar with this website. Yes, so I also did not knew about it before. So yeah, it's not that that it's not very much time until I notice. So in today's tutorial, we are gonna be making a game called Piano. Piano. Uh, oh, okay. Wait, did the pick? Okay. So by the way, if we want the link to this to the the coding space, I will leave it. I will copy this and paste it in the description down below for your help. In case you cannot find Unblock, just click the link and you are gonna come to the the working space of the Unblock. Okay, so when you join the when you start, I mean, when you open this workspace, it might a game might appear on your screen that it will be written Space Adventure. I think just click File, New, File, and then New. Okay. After you have done that, let's go. You will come to the devices. We do not need devices. We need sprites. So first of all, delete the button. Actually, I mean the panda. Actually, no. We can draw it, right? Okay. And delete one of the costumes. Okay, and delete this. Clear this one. Okay, so now we can draw a simple button. Let's add a bit of outline. Or maybe, yes, a good amount of outline. Actually, I think a bit small will be okay, right? Make sure you keep it in the middle. That will help you. Actually, this is very small. Make the size 200. Much better. Oh my gosh. This is actually too big now. I'm gonna have to decrease this from here. Yeah. Okay. So duplicate this costume. Right click, duplicate this costume, and then change the color of this purple to a lighter one, because that is gonna be when we press it. Okay. So by the way, we are gonna use uh you know we are gonna use video sensing and music for this piano, of course. So you will need to add an extension. Beneath my blocks there will be plus extension. Click on it, and then scroll down a bit, or you can also search here, but it's video sensing. Okay. After that, I'll click this button, add. Okay. And then allow it, and then add another extension named music, and we are ready. So you can say when video motion is what is this sign? Is oh yeah, is greater than, yeah. I mean less than. Yeah, I should be less than. I'm confused right now. Okay, whatever. Now after that, I should change the value to 50 because in my case, the background like if it touches, it touches the wall, it then starts to play the piano. So basically it's confused. Okay. Okay, that would be a bit too much advanced, you know a bit too much advanced explanation right now, so I'm going to be quick. So after that, go to looks, switch to costume 1. Okay, and then go to music and get this. You see the one, two, three, third block, and then place it here, snap it, and then get the switch costume from looks, and then place it, and then switches to costume 2. Okay. It was opposite. It was opposite. I got confused. Sorry. It was opposite. It was opposite. After that, we are gonna add a one green flag clicked and turn on video. Basically, what this piece of code does is when we are like touching the sprite, it shall play this note, like this part of the piano, and let's see. As you see, it works. And duplicate. You can just put it right up here. By the way, if you have this thing, it will also play the same music. So just to change it, be careful on this one. Click this play note one, and for the first value 60, change it to whatever value you want. So you can also change this black one to the black one, to the third one. So I think the third one will be suitable for me. Okay, duplicate this, and then I'm gonna place it right over here, and then gonna change it to E64. Okay, let's just test it out. And by the way, you can add more buttons. Just remember to change this, to change this. Otherwise, it will, keep on playing the same sound. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you in this video. And by the way, if you are waiting for the Among Us Part 5, I'm gonna make it in the next video. Hopefully, I'm gonna make it fast. Hopefully, if you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.